Hello friends, welcome to the channel where you are going to learn something. In this channel, I shall use simple Shona in English. Today, we are going to learn something in Microsoft Excel. We are going to start with the basics, the introduction to Microsoft Excel. Chamakatarisana nacho, this is the welcome window for Microsoft Excel. How do we go to Microsoft Excel? First thing first, we need to install the Microsoft Office packages that will include the Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel packages, mune packages akawanda atichazodzidza kumberi anosanganisira Word, PowerPoint, and so on. Today we are just only focusing on Microsoft. Let's get started. Yatakatarisana nayo iyi ndiyo yatinoti a welcome window. This window we see the pre-designed templates for Microsoft Excel, where we can find power tutorials, where we can find the budget, where we can find the calendars. All pre-designed templates, unokwanisa kumashandisa, then you customize according to what you want. Ndipo patechiti isa data rako kuma Excel sheet riripo, then inokuitira zvese iyo yega. But today toda kutotanga kugadzira our own template, kutanga kugadzira our own Excel sheet. How do we start? Tinoenda pablank workbook rinori. Tatita installa Microsoft Office yedu, then we can just come to Windows, you type Microsoft Excel, inobva yabuda, then you click, inobva waya welcome window. Welcome window panapa, you click the blank workbook. This is our blank workbook in a sheet 1. Zvatikuti sheet 1 is rakanzi sheet 1 rine zvese zvatakatarisana nazvo izvi. What are we seeing here? Here we are seeing the tabs. But tabs are named differently because they offer different menus in designs. The first tab is File tab. File tab, we can open a new workbook. We can open my workbook save kudhara. We can save a workbook atikushanda naro, or we can save for the first time workbook redu. We can print our workbook redu. We can share. We can export in a different package, or we can publish it, or we can just close. I think for now we can just end here under this File tab. Then we'll come to the Home tab. Home tab redu rine what we call a ribbon. A ribbon inowanikwa atinoti magroup. Ribbon redu inowanikwa groups that are divided into different sections. These groups include editing, cell, style, number, alignment, font, clipboard. I am a ribbon, anima menus. We use them to edit, to format, to style, to align our data. We also have the Insert tab, the Page Layout tab, the Formulas tab. Kune awo zvavanofarira maths, this is your tab. Data tab, Review tab, and View tab. All these tabs, they are used to make our data look beautiful and look how we want it to be. Let's get started. Paribon pedu, tine what we call the launch button. This launch button, Shandisa, is just there to give you more options on each group. For example, the font group in a launch button. This launch button, tikai-click, inotiburitsira more options. Tanema menus akawanda. That is the number, the alignment, the font itself, the borders, the fill, the protection. We can now customize our data. But we can't find it in one in this small group on our ribbon, but we just click the launch button. Same as here, we click the launch button, we get more from that ribbon. But however, there are other groups that do not have the launch button, but we can find these under another tab. For example, the data tab, we can get more. In short, the home tab is a shortcut of other tabs. The things that we find here tinokwanisa futi zvekumawana mukati mumatabs ari pamusoro apapo. Now let's get started. An Excel sheet redu rine yatinoti a column. A column ndiyo iri kudzika vertically. Column yedu inonemwa in A, B, C alphabetically up to Z, and then we can go on AA, AB, AC, AC up to AC. These are the names of our columns. So every column, guys, zivai kuti rakapiwa zita in alphabetical, in yepa alphabet. And also our sheet kuti rive complete, tine yatinoti a row. A row ndio inoenda horizontally. A row yakanemwa in numbers. Tine row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4, row number 5, tichidzika takadaro. And also an interesting thing about Excel, Excel has got what we call cell. Excel has got what we call cell. Every cell has got a name, and each cell is named after a column and a row number. So in this case, this cell is called A1, and this cell is called A2, and this cell is called C1. So you see, cells edu akapiwa mazita zvichibva pazita recolumn nepazita rerow. Why? Because Excel iyo pacha inoshandisa maformulas. Saka tikasapa mazita kana takushandisa maformulas, hatizoziva kuti tiri kuda kushandisa cell inonzi cell ani. But kana macells edu ane manhamba, now taakuziva kuti tiri mu-C1, tiri mu-B2 or tiri mu-A1, zvichienda zvakadaro. Now tiri ipapo tine yatinoti a range. What is a range? A range is a group of cells that are close to each other, or these are cells next to each other. For example, this area is highlighted is a range. Let me just highlight it. This yellow color, this yellow region is a range. How do we name a range? A range is named from the first left cell, in this case, it's a C3, up to the bottom right cell, which is G9, this one. So our range is C3 to G9. This is the range. Muchazoona kumberi when takuda kushandisa names ema-ranges, names ema-cells, you see pazvinenge zvakushanda. So basically, this is what we call an Excel sheet. Tinezve chimwe chinhu chatinacho pa-Excel, tine atinoti a sheet. A sheet is what we are working on. We can add by just clicking this plus. Tapa sheet 2, tapa sheet 3. We can go on and on and on. Kana mashiti awanda mu Excel medu, now the whole worksheet rakunzi a workbook. That's it in short for Excel for an introduction. Let me just wrap up. This is an Excel that in my tabs, tab file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. These tabs ndo atinoshandisa, ane menus atinoshandisa to customize, to edit, to style, to format our data. And also taita add on to say, paExcel tine ecolumn ndo iyi inodzika iri kunemwa under alphabetical letter A, B, C, D kusvika to infinity. And also tine etinoti row. A row ndiyo inonemwa by the numbers. Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. And every sheet panosangana a row and panosangana a row and a column pane yatinoti a cell. Tikati a cell is named after column name and a row number. For example, tati cell yandakaselecta inonzi A1. Tikatizve tine a range. A range, this is cells that are close to each other or next to each other, like the highlighted area. Tikatizve we can add sheets per Excel pedu. Tine sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. And how do we add a sheet? We just click this plus sign to be sheet 4. And also we can name our sheet. We need to just double click and then we change the name. Now I want to name to grade 1. First sheet is grade 1. Second sheet, grade 2. Grade 2. Third sheet, grade 3. Fourth sheet, grade 4. So when someone see, okay, I had repeated grade 3. So Excel aibvumi kuisa masheet with the same name. So I have to write grade 4. Someone akaona sheet rako akutoziva kuti sheet number 1 rine information yegrade 1, sheet number 2 rine information yegrade 3, sheet number 3 rine information for grade 3, and so on and so on. We can as well name January, February, March, April. We can as well name anything that you want according to the type of data you are adding. Guys, I want to thank you so much for getting so far. Please remember to subscribe and click the like button and share with your friends, relatives, and colleagues. I hope you learned something from this video. Please keep on watching and also click the notification button for more videos. Thank you so much.